Why does my phone keep freezing and how to fix it? If your phone is freezing all the time, in most cases it can be fixed. Before you panic, freezes aren't just bad luck, they point to specific issues: low storage, problematic apps, outdated system, heat, or overloaded hardware. They'll quickly show you how to identify and solve the problem on both Android and iPhone. Why this happens: most common causes. The most frequent causes are nearly full storage, overloaded RAM, too many apps open, buggy apps, outdated system software, degraded battery, or overheating. Sometimes a recent update temporarily slows the phone until it re-indexes everything. Knowing the likely cause helps apply the right fix. Simple first steps that almost always help. 1. Restart the phone to clear temporary memory and close stuck processes. 2. Free up space, delete large photos/files or move them to cloud/PC. 3. Close or remove problematic apps and update the apps you use. Doing just these steps often gives a big performance boost. Android step-by-step practical actions. Check storage and settings: storage and delete what you don't use. Clear cache for problematic apps. Apps select app storage clear cache, don't confuse with clear data, which deletes login. Disable or uninstall pre-installed apps that use memory, reduce widgets and animations. Update Android in your apps. If nothing helps, back up and consider a factory reset. iPhone step-by-step practical actions. Restart or force restart, varies by model, to fix temporary freezes. Check settings: general iPhone storage and remove large apps/files. Update to the latest iOS and update apps in the App Store. If a specific app freezes, uninstall and reinstall. As a last resort, restore from backup. Specific problems and how to identify them. Freeze only in one app: the app is at fault, uninstall or wait for an update. Freeze after an update: wait a few hours, indexing, or restart. If it persists, look for a patch/update. Overheating plus freezing: stop using it and let it cool. Heat can temporarily throttle performance. Very old device hardware may not support newer features. Replacing the device may be the solution. Care and prevention to avoid returning freezes. Keep free space, at least 10 to 15% of total storage. Update system and apps regularly. Avoid installers and files from unknown sources. Use passwords and authentication, and enable automatic backups for photos and contacts. When to seek technical assistance. If you've tried the basic steps and the phone still freezes frequently, there may be hardware failure, damaged memory or storage, or a deeper system issue. In that case, seek authorized support or a reputable repair service, especially if the device is still under warranty. Quick summary checklist to test now. 1. Restart. 2. Free up space. 3. Update system and apps. 4. Close/uninstall problem apps. 5. If it persists, restore from backup or seek assistance. Test each step. The most common mistake is skipping the basics and jumping to drastic measures.